This fitting guide is for the TA4324. Inside the box you will find 4 pieces. First, take the backrest cover, identifiable by the logo. To remove the headrest from the seat, you'll want to adjust it using this rotating handle. Remove the headrest and throw the cover over the back of the seat. At this point you may notice this space in the cover. This is for an optional armrest and not for the seat adjusters. Secure the cover around the headrest fixings. And pull it down and around the armrest. This is then secured using the hook and loop fastenings. Locate this tab at the bottom of the cover and push it through to the back of the seat. This is then simply just pulled out at the other side. The cover is held in place by taking this guide rope and tucking it in all the way around the plastic housing. This can be quite tight at stages, but it is just to ensure the cover stays in place. If your seat doesn't have this plastic housing, then it is simply secured using this hook and loop strap. Next, take the base cover and throw it over the top of the seat. Like before, this is fed through to the back of the seat. And simply pulled out at the other side. Next, these guide ropes are tucked into the plastic housing on the side of the seat. Which is repeated exactly the same on the other side of the seat. Take these 2 long tabs of hook and loop and feed them through to the back of the seat. This is easier if you grab them on the other side as you push them through. These hook and loop tabs then secure to the back of the cover which you pushed through earlier. As these hold most of the cover in place, it's a good idea to do these very tight. Lastly, take the armrest and headrest covers. The armrest cover is pulled over the armrest like you're putting on a sock. Looped around the back of the armrest. And secured in place using the hook and loop fastening. Because the stalks are quite long, you'll need to recline the seat before you can put the headrest in. Put the headrest back into the seat before fitting the cover. And then pull the cover over the top of the headrest. This is then secured in place using the hook and loop fastenings. Your seats are now fully protected.